Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are thinking about becoming a pilot, you're definitely going to need a pilot log. And this standard pilot log is a great option. My husband is a private pilot and he records every single flight he does in this log. So there is a lot of pages to record all of your flights. It's easy to fill out. There's options for different types of aircraft. You can do single engine, you can do multi-engine, or even helicopters. You also, for example, have a place to log how many night and day landings you did, your total flight duration, and any remarks that you have for your flight. And as you continue in your pilot training, there is space to record your instrument complex and high performance endorsements. So this is good to last you for a while. I hope that this book is going to be as useful for you as it is for my husband, and that's my point of view.